Hello everyone. Today we'll be trying to do a numerical problem based on the transpose of a matrix. So let's start off with I have already selected a question for you. The question that I have selected is that if we have fairly easy question, the question is that suppose we have a matrix A which is given by cos theta minus sin theta and cos theta, and then we have another condition which is given by that A transpose plus the matrix A gives us the identity matrix of the order 2 plus 2, 2 cross 2. In that case, first option is option A. We have theta is equal to n pi, theta is equal to twice n plus pi by 3, and theta is equal to twice n plus 1 by pi by 2, and then we have none of this. So these are the options associated. So now let us find out A transpose. So A transpose will be given by, so the first row will become the first column, so we have cos theta, and then we have minus sin theta, and then we have sin theta and cos theta. So if we add it to the matrix A as given over here, then this will give us, so we'll have this matrix cos theta minus sin theta, then we'll have sin theta, and then we'll have cos theta. This is the matrix A. Okay, so upon addition we'll get, as you can see over here, cos theta plus cos theta, we'll have 2 cos theta, then sin theta and minus sin theta, this will be 0, then minus sin theta and sin theta, we'll have 0 over here. So basically we'll have cos theta, so this will ultimately come down to 2 cos theta, 0, and then we'll have 0 over here itself, and then we'll have 2 cos theta, and this is ultimately equal to the identity matrix I2, which is nothing but a matrix 1 0 0 1. Okay, so as you can see over here, we have 2 cos theta will be equal to 1, or that will imply us that cos theta will be equal to 1 by 3, and we know 1 by 2, and 1 by 2 is nothing but cos 60, which is nothing but cos of pi by 3. So that will imply that in general way we can write that theta will be equal to twice n pi plus pi by 3, where n belongs to the set of integers. So this is the structure. So that implies that this is nothing but equal to option C. So option C is the correct option over here. So this is the process with how using what you can solve. This is an example of a question which comes from the topic of transpose of a matrix, and this is the fairly straightforward process that we adopted to solve it. But there will be much more tougher sums than this, much more complicated sums to deal with. So if you have any trouble regarding solving those kind of problems, then you can just comment in the comment section below, and we'll try to help you in solving that question. So I hope your understanding is now very much clear regarding transpose and its properties. So we'll try to get back to you soon enough with some new metrics and its properties as well. So thank you very much.